Thinking about using Houzz Pro in 2025? Let's break it down before you dive in. Houzz Pro is designed for home renovation professionals, helping you manage your business from leads to project completion. In 2025, the platform is more powerful than ever, offering tools for client communication, estimates, invoicing, and even 3D floor planning. What really stands out is the lead generation. Houzz taps into its massive user base and sends potential project your way. Plus, the built-in marketing features let you showcase your work with a sleek, pro-level profile that looks great and builds trust. On the workflow side, the project dashboard keeps everything organized. You can track timelines, budgets, and client approvals all in one place. And the mobile app? Super handy if you're managing jobs while on site. But here's the catch. Houzz Pro isn't cheap. The subscription costs can be steep, especially for solo contractors or small teams. And some users report that lead quality varies, with occasional cold leads or slow response times. So, is Houzz Pro worth using in 2025? If you're a serious home pro looking to grow your business, Houzz Pro is a solid investment, especially if you want all-in-one tools in a clean, user-friendly interface. Just make sure the pricing fits your scale and goals. And that wraps up this Houzz Pro review. More straight-to-the-point reviews coming your way.